Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering up the Pixel Watch and making sure its battery is at least 50% so it won't interrupt updates. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and sign into the Google account you'll use. Open the Pixel Watch app. It discovers nearby devices automatically. Tap to begin pairing and follow on-screen prompts. This gets your devices talking and prepares both sides for the next configuration steps. After the initial discovery, confirm the numeric code you see on the watch matches the phone. This ensures secure pairing. Next, grant permissions the app requests so notifications, health data, and location work correctly. Make sure the watch connects to Wi-Fi for faster app downloads and system updates. Configure basic preferences like watch language and privacy settings, and allow background sync so health metrics and notifications update consistently. These middle steps set up services, the watch complete setup by installing critical apps and customizing the watch face and complications to prioritize information you need. Run any pending system updates, then force a final sync so all settings, contacts, and calendars populate. Make sure backups to your Google account are enabled so data is preserved. If things go wrong, reboot the watch and phone, ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, and retry pairing. That simple reset resolves most connectivity and sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.